Drivin Ivan here, and you are looking at the Dodge Deora, basically built on a Dodge van to be super incredibly custom, as you can see here. And there's the Washington Monument right behind it, which is super cool. But wow, what a sight to behold here in the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. One of the first Hot Wheels cars, and they made a lot of models out of it. Here you can see a nice little timeline. I'll try to go pretty slow so you can pause it at any given point if you want to read all about it. But yeah, an original Hot Wheels car, custom, built in the 60s, and really revolutionized the way that customs are done. And it's great that they have the historical vehicle registry. I was at the first one. Carroll Shelby was there. I met Carroll Shelby. I interviewed Pete Brock right in front of the Cobra Daytona. So check that out on YouTube. Search any car in Drivin Ivan. But that's a cool one to watch. I also review the Cobra, Shelby Cobra, and if you want to know what it's like to drive that, certainly check that out too. But this one, wow. It looks like a toy, you know? It's just so amazing. And you're right between the Capitol and the Washington Monument. So nice to see it down here on the Capitol. A lot of people checking it out. A lot of car fans walking around, and it's good to see that. It's just a sight to behold, really.
It looks like a Hummer truck.
The kids dig it. Everybody seems to dig it. All the families love it, and it's just so interesting to see. Here you see the Capitol right in the background. But there you go, the Dodge Deora, built by the Alexander brothers in 1967. Look how custom that puppy is, and so cool. There you can see a better shot of the interior. So there you have it. Thank you so much. Search any car in Drivin Ivan and you shall find it. I think I even have a Dodge van that this was based on in there. My latest video, just reviewed the BMW Z1, very rare. I tell you how to import a car from Europe. I actually titled a car, drove it on the Nürburgring in Europe last summer. Check that out. All the major factories in Europe, Porsche, Ferrari, Pagani. Yeah, I've been there. I got a private tour of Lamborghini in 1999 from Valentino Balboni, Lamborghini's test driver. And again, check out that Pete Brock interview right in front of the Cobra Daytona. That is really cool. And again, thank you so much for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.